So if I look at my original model which was textured before earlier on, so if I unhide all, you'll see that this one, obviously the stone texture is much more smaller than this one, and this is appearing really big and rough. Again, more time was taken when this one was done. As you can see, the dirt is actually it blends in quite nicely, and this one is done quite roughly. So it's done the same way, it's just that this example that I showed you how to do it, take your time doing it. Again, with the barrels, gone around and added the metal rims in there as well. You can modify the colors and textures of the barrels to make them much more appear to be like this kind of wood. Again, on the roof you can see the dirt that's been put onto the texture. The texture is pretty much the same one, just the colors changed in Photoshop. So just go, if you go into Photoshop and select all the tile textures, for instance, if I hit on all the different ones there are, so if I choose this one, this one, this one, Control E, and there are quite a few on this side. So if I select that one as well, and there's one more, which is, see, it's a good idea to usually name your textures as well. It does help when you're building these. So for instance, that's all the my tiles. I can go image adjustment and go into, first of all I can create the wall of these, use some of the layer settings to make it darker. As you can see, that's already looking better, and for what I want to do, maybe make it a bit lighter. It's a bit too much, not that much. Then you can go check that and see how that looks in comparison. So if I save that again you can go in and start messing around with overlaying, making things dirtier, like we've done earlier on with the model here. So put that dirt in there as well. So if once it becomes a bit more darker, it looks already nicer. I would definitely think of ways to actually make these corners appearing too sharp, to make them blend in a bit better. You put dirt in there as well. So as you can see, if I go zoom in to this version, you can see this overlaid dirt. You do the same on your roofs on this one. So you can, if you look, it's still in comparison it's done really fast, but you can see if you take your time and what you can achieve with this. Again, I decided to do this a bit differently, just very roughly. The only thing that I would say, the rock textures are obviously a bit appearing too big here. The rocks appear, they seem too big, and this is easily fixable. You just have to, in Photoshop, you just take a bit more time, maybe open up your generic texture again and scale it down. I'm going to do that quickly as a demo, just so you can see the difference. Okay, see you in the next video.